Story.
Alright, what do we got today?
We got Mrs. and Mr. Potato Head.
Potato Head. Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Alright. Show us the box.
Look, here.
Alright, this is the Mr. Potato Head Play-Doh. And on the box, who do we have?
We have Mr. Potato Head and Mrs. Potato Head.
Oh, yeah, we do. Let's see. That looks pretty cool. I guess we can open it up now.
Okay. Take pictures of it.
Take pictures of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Put it up.
Okay. Ooh. So many.
Alright, looks like you got all the pieces out.
And it comes with instructions.
Instructions? We don't need them.
Okay. Okay.
These aren't instructions, silly Willy. It's a picture. That's pretty cool. Alright, so it looks like you used the Play-Doh.
Let's do this one.
So I guess you could use the picture and you could put the little pieces
Look.
as the mouth because they don't have mouths.
Okay.
Oh, you want to make the body first?
Yeah, I can open
Here's the body Play-Doh and it's like a brown color.
Here's this one too.
It looks exactly like chocolate milk. I love chocolate milk. I got the brown Play-Doh. What's first, Aliyah?
I can make the body.
You can make the body?
Yeah.
Okay, squish that one up. Can I make the other body?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we're sharing. Sharing is caring, kids.
Yeah. And we need,
Alright, so who are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make Mrs. Potato Head.
And how about me?
Mr. Potato Head.
Okay, so this is yours. This is for the girl. And this is for Mr. Potato Head. Just like that. Alright,
Am I gonna do this?
we can try it. Alright, that's what I got so far. Oh, I see. You can grab this one. You can make eyes.
Each make molds.
Oh, you can make molds. That's cool. So it comes with molds. So if you want to make the eyes and the lips and the
I'll get the
nose
popcorn.
and the mustache, you can make it all with this. And that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's like that.
So Aliyah has her potato head and I have mine. What's next, princess?
Okay, let me see. Now,
Let's put some arms on them.
yeah.
The orange ones are mine.
Oh. So which one this one goes? Oh, it goes here. I got it? It needs to go down, Daddy.
Do I need to go down?
Yes,
Okay. Alright, so that's my Mr. Potato Head. And Aliyah has hers. Can we show the camera? That's nice too. A girl, one boy. Now we need to make
Hey, let me see.
you need to make the lips for yours. So you
Yeah.
have yours lips are on that one.
Hey, which one? This one don't have the lips.
Turn it around.
There it has the lips. And these eyes. And more eyes.
Alright, I'm gonna get a little bit just so I can make my ears.
Yeah. And I'm gonna make a little bit of my mouth. Some for my mouth.
So I got one ear. Put it in the mold. Put that there.
My lips. So here's my lips.
I gotta make a nose for mine.
You let me make mine. Which one is the nose? Daddy, I don't have the same thing.
They're different. Yours is a girl, mine's a boy.
I don't have the same thing as
So
the.
turn around, they're different on the back.
See, it needs to be this one, the other one.
Okay.
But it's okay.
I got a nose here for Mr. Potato Head, and I'm gonna put it right there.
And look at my eye.
Let me see. Oh wow, that looks pretty cool. And I need to make a mustache for Mr. Potato Head.
And I also need I need black hair. I have some black hair.
Get them just like that. This is so much fun. And Mr. Potato Head is from what?
From Toy Story.
Wait a minute. You're Aliyah's Toy Story.
Yeah.
And this is also from Toy Story?
Yeah.
Oh, you mean the movie?
Yeah.
With Woody and Buzz Lightyear and Bullseye.
Yeah.
And the little aliens. Those were my favorite when I was a little boy.
Those are my favorites too.
Alright, that's so cool.
And now I'm press.
Now that I got this, I gotta peel the mustache. I'm
Yay,
gonna put him
they're
on
there.
my boy. Alright. So now he's got a
There's my
mustache.
hair.
Alright, let's check on Aliyah's. You wanna show us?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, he looks so cool. Oh, wait a minute. She looks so cool. She's Mrs. Potato Head.
But she needs ears.
She needs ears?
Yeah, see? And the basket.
Oh, and this one doesn't have ears.
Yeah, this one has ears. See?
Or. Okay.
So it's... Oh, sorry.
That looks pretty nice. I think I like that one.
Okay.
Okay, so all I gotta do is finish is my eyes. So I'm gonna do white.
Hey, you need to wait for me.
Wait, you're winning me. What do you mean I gotta wait for you? You need to wait for me. I'm losing.
Yeah. Losers keep losers. Losers keep losers.
Losers keep losers.
Yeah. I didn't know that.
You didn't know that? Oh, you're mean. Okay.
Hey,
So I got the
it's
white
okay.
eyes here, and I'm gonna try putting this out without messing it up.
Sorry, Daddy. I'm not going to do that.
I love you. Don't worry. So I'm gonna grab mine. Stick the white. All right, that looks cool. Yeah, he looks pretty funny now. So I get a little bit of black. Give him black eyes. All right. Oh, where's his ear? Oh, there it is. He lost his ear.
And he needs a hat. Nicky needs a hat.
You
See?
need to make. Okay, I'll make him a hat. Let's see if I could do that.
Hey, that's here. Here's the hat.
Yeah, but how do they do it where it's red and white on the hat?
Let me see. Oh,
I think we're gonna do a red hat or a black one. Black or red?
red.
Okay. Red.
Red and black. Okay, so now I need the bag. I'm working on the bag. Okay, I'm working on the bag.
Oh, she has a little handbag, huh? With a purse like your mom?
Yeah,
That's right. I
because it has purse.
forgot all about that.
Ah!
Alright, I got him a hat. He looks like a little silly Willy. He looks like Super Mario. Oh my god, he looks just like Super Mario from Mario Brothers.
Huh.
Maybe it's a Super Mario Potato Head.
Yeah.
Cause Mario has a red hat and he has black mustache too.
But mine don't have ears. Where are the ears?
Can we see yours?
Hey, I don't have ears.
She don't have ears. It's okay.
No. Look, this needs to have ears.
Look at this one doesn't have ears. It's okay. So she doesn't have ears.
I really want to make ears.
Okay, we'll make some ears then. What's the problem? So Aliyah's gonna make some ears for her Mrs. Potato Head. It's gonna be pretty awesome. So now I'm gonna work on this. You can put faces on them.
Wait, can I do the mixed potato head?
Mrs. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna put a heart on her head. Look! Ta-da!
That looks so nice. Now we're no Picassos, but that's some mighty fine potato heads right there.
Okay, now for me.
I think those are two of the best on YouTube.
Yeah, let me do...
I think so.
Hey, let me do the... Hey, guess what I want to do?
What?
I want to do the sun.
The sun?
Yeah, but how do you make the sun?
I don't know. Red. You use red and then you use black for eyes.
Okay. So,
Red.
okay, I already got the red. And now for the black. So some black for the mouth. I used yours.
So where's Alina?
She's sleeping.
She's sleeping?
Yeah.
Is she the big bad sleeping monster?
No, he's a sleepy
What if she
baby.
wakes up and she destroys all the Play-Doh? She's a silly girl, huh?
Yeah. And get it. Go!
You got it? Is that the sun? Alright, put them on. So we're going for this look right here. So this is the sun. I already put eyes on Mr. Potato Head. This is the sun, and this is ours right here.
Hey, let me do the mouth.
Oh boy.
Hey, and these.
He looks good. He looks really good. The sun.
But
You just need to make a mouth and eyes for Mrs. Potato Head.
Okay, so a mouth and eyes. But it already has eyes. Oh, I need to make eyes.
Where do we get this at, Aliyah?
We get this at...
I think we bought it at Walgreens. You can buy this at Walgreens, Walmart, Target. A lot of the places that carry Play-Doh, right? We need to buy one. We still haven't got a Ryan's World Mystery Egg.
Yeah.
So if anybody knows where we could get a Ryan's World Mystery Egg, please let us know.
Yeah. White lip.
White lips?
Yeah. Now for his nose.
Black nose. Here we go.
Okay, now we need to make this.
Kids see.
Okay, now let's make this.
That looks awesome. It really does.
Hey, these don't have nothing.
You can make something.
Hey, I'm gonna make the kite.
Alright, so these are our Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head.
Hey, what are you can make?
Aliyah made the one on the left and I made one on the right, and I think we did an awesome job.
Hey, what?
So, what do you think, Aliyah?
That's great.
That was great?
I think I like the Play-Doh Mr. and Mrs. Potato Head. Where is that?
Me too. I think that for all kids, they can play with this and they can create their own faces.
Yeah.
So we can try this again after. This is really awesome.
Yeah. And you can make a white and black bow.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it right
I wonder what kind of face Alina would make. I think it would be funny.
Maybe she's gonna make us.
A baby potato head.
No, maybe she's gonna make.
A cookie potato head.
No, maybe she's gonna smash all the Play-Doh and then do like this.
Ha ha ha, silly girl. She
She's
probably
gonna
will.
do that. Thanks for joining us. See you next time. Get on my next video. It's gonna be the rice molecules next time.
Alright.
Bye. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want me to do all the videos, please let me know.
Okay. Join us next video. We're gonna do Ryan's Molecules. Are you super excited for Ryan's Molecules?
Yeah.
I think Aliyah loves Ryan's toy reviews, so this one's gonna be special.